In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of transformative change, offering a myriad of opportunities for lucrative ventures. As AI continues to mature, its applications extend far beyond automating tasks or improving efficiencies. It is reshaping industries and spawning entirely new business models. For entrepreneurs, investors, and businesses alike, understanding how to leverage AI can be a game changer, unlocking unprecedented avenues for innovation and profitability. The allure of AI lies in its ability to process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, identifying patterns and insights that are otherwise imperceptible to the human eye. Consider industries such as finance and healthcare, where AI algorithms are employed for predictive analytics and risk assessment. In finance, AI-driven trading systems analyze market trends with remarkable precision, providing investors with real-time insights to make informed decisions. Meanwhile, in healthcare, AI promises to revolutionize diagnosis and treatment, with machine learning models capable of identifying diseases in their earliest stages, thus significantly improving patient outcomes. Beyond established industries, AI offers fertile ground for new ventures in niche markets and sectors, yet to fully embrace its potential. Take, for example, the realm of personalized experiences. AI's power to analyze user behavior and preferences enables businesses to tailor products and services like never before. E-commerce giants use AI to recommend products users didn't even know they needed, while streaming services curate personalized playlists and content suggestions to a T. This level of customization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives higher engagement and increased sales. Moreover, AI is reshaping the landscape of content creation itself. With generative AI models, content producers can create vast amounts of written, visual, and audio content faster than ever before. These tools can generate not only high-quality marketing content, but also complex creative works, from music compositions to digital art, presenting new opportunities for monetization and audience engagement. However, ethical considerations must be considered, ensuring transparency and authenticity in AI-generated content. The next horizon for AI opportunities lies in the development of smart manufacturing and the Internet of Things. The integration of AI and IoT is enabling the creation of intelligent environments, from smart cities to connected homes. In manufacturing, AI optimizes supply chains, enhances predictive maintenance, and facilitates the design of products customized to client specifications with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Similarly, AI-enabled IoT devices are improving our everyday lives, with smart assistants managing household tasks and real-time monitoring systems enhancing security and efficiency. Yet, navigating the AI landscape requires a strategic vision, underpinned by a deep understanding of both technological capabilities and market dynamics. Entrepreneurs must possess the foresight to identify how AI can address latent demands or enhance existing business operations. Collaboration with AI specialists and investing in skills development within the organization can further solidify one's venture against technological disruptions. Stepping into AI ventures also entails addressing crucial issues such as data privacy, ethical considerations, and regulatory landscapes that vary across the globe. Ensuring compliance, building consumer trust, and adopting an ethical framework are essential for long-term success and viability in AI-enabled businesses. In conclusion, the opportunities provided by AI are vast, stretching into every conceivable domain with the promise of revolutionary change and profitability. As technology continues to advance, those attuned to harnessing its potential effectively will lead the future wave of innovation. The key lies in blending AI capabilities with human creativity and strategic insight, ensuring that these ventures are not only lucrative, but also sustainable and rooted in ethical practices. As we look toward the future, embracing AI isn't just an option for forward-thinking businesses and entrepreneurs. It's a compelling imperative. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe. Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9to5.com.